Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to delete Tupper bots from your Discord server. It's a straightforward process once you know the commands. We'll start by identifying the specific bot you want to remove and making sure you know your server's custom Tupperbox prefix, which is often tall, but can vary. Knowing this prefix is crucial for executing the correct commands. To remove a single Tupperbot, you'll use a simple command. In your Discord server, type tall, remove followed by the exact name of the Tupper you wish to delete. For example, if your Tupper is named Buddy, you would type tall, remove Buddy. The bot will then ask for confirmation, so be sure to confirm to finalize the removal of that specific Tupper. If you need to remove multiple Tuppers or even all of them, there are a couple of options. You can type tall, remove asterisk to delete every Tupper associated with your account, which will require a confirmation. Another powerful command is tall, purge, which removes all your Tuppers and groups. For those who prefer a visual interface, the Tupperbox dashboard offers an intuitive way to manage and delete your Tuppers with a few clicks. Before you proceed with any deletion, it's vital to remember that removing a Tupper is a permanent action and cannot be undone. If you think you might want your Tuppers back later, consider using the tall export command to create a backup of your data. Also, always ensure you have the correct permissions within your Discord server to execute these Tupperbox commands successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.